I licked Ronald down because my cat is an asshole. Hello, people of the internet, and let me guess, you guys want to know what to do in the event of a snowstorm. Well, you guys came to the right place. My name is Adventure. Yeah, it's British. Don't ask. But this is what you do. Even the slightest hint of somebody saying snow, run to the store and grab milk and bread. Don't ask, just grab milk and bread. Doesn't matter what you do, gotta grab the bread, and the milk. Bread and milk. Only thing you can survive off of. Okay. Calm down. And in the event that you are snowed in, like half past the door, so let's say about here, you know what you do? You open up the door, you cut out a little block, and like, put snow out of it. Then you take your milk that you got from the store, and your bread that you got from the store, and you put it in there, so it's a homemade refrigerator when your power goes out. Ooh. Okay, so in the event that you guys start getting hungry in that vicious snowstorm, you want to take your milk and put the milk in the cup. Take your bread, which I toasted because I hate regular bread. You want to take the bread, dip it in the milk, then eat it. And in the event that you run out of milk and bread, run outside, run around, and then you start crying because you're gonna starve to death. Because you can only survive on milk and bread. They said whenever they say snow or storm, run to the store. You never forget that. Always milk and bread. Doesn't matter if they got Pop-Tarts on sale for $5, for 5 like cents or something. You want the milk and bread. And there's my dog. Yeah. But milk. And in the event that you don't know what to do with that bread and the milk, this is what you do. You go, take the milk, pour it in a cup, then dip your bread in it. This is gonna be a visual demonstration. Well, I hope you survived that vicious ice storm / snowstorm. I hope these helped. So, one thing left to say. Stay frosty and keep that milk and bread. Oh god, I think I'm gonna puke.